Yo, what's good, everyone? Today we're fucking picking up Israel's new project, 240. We got Israel, we got Patrick.
Previous owner of the 240.
Previous owner of the 240.
Hey, I still own it. You still own it.
Yeah, huck it. Trophy girl, that shit.
God damn, I just watched you, Fiat. All this for a goddamn 240. We could have brought the 3400 instead.
I don't know what would have been more sketch.
Yeah, the 400. 400 sketch on the road, but it's fun off-road.
Yeah.
It's on like double what I do.
Really?
Yeah.
In the Mustang?
Yeah, I go slow as fuck.
Yeah, I kind of realize it's not worth, like, the little bit of fun isn't worth fucking up my car. So this is Trent's project. Project Ranger. Yeah, it's been like over a month, and still not running.
Over a month, you say?
It's been over a month since
It's like fucking
like
5 months,
5
bro.
months.
Nah, it's been 4 months.
All right, guys, we're out here at the Farley compound, undisclosed location, picking up the 240.
Hopefully you fucking see my.
That ding when you put the key in is JDM as fuck. Okay, no SR, you bitch.
Okay, that's gonna fucking run over your Z, I'll tell you that much.
TPR drift car.
On coilovers all the way around.
Since Pat took my...
So, do we have tags on this fucker?
Feel good about it?
Feel excited.
Should be, I would be. This is gonna be a fun little fucking
Project car.
and it runs, and which is fucking nice. You
You
can
know what the
drive
best
around
part about
now.
it is?
What?
It's a clean title.
Yeah. Is it really?
It's a clean title.
Fuck. So starting from the back, got some Chevys, fucking dope F-250. This little tow rig right here. Okay, so what is this?
48 wheelies pickup.
400 horsepower.
Frame, cut the bed. 302 swap.
400 horsepower.
This is the Cummins.
They're for sale too.
All of Pat's whips are for sale for the right price.
Yeah.
Got the company whips. This is the Pat's dirt bike.
Blown up.
Blew up when we were in Ocotillo. All the toys. We got a single-seater project over here. Swapping a Volkswagen motor, Volkswagen bus trans. This is the place for projects.
I say it's a pretty good trade.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Dude, this thing is fucking sick.
Alright, heading back down the hill. Israel's in his 240. And me and Pat, we're in his Fiat. Take the Fiat for a little rip.
Oh shit, getting sideways right. Dude, the tires.
Look who's here. What's good?
Nothing much, just bored out of my fucking mind.
Thing's brand new, look.
Oh yeah, it is brand new.
Dude, it was so sketchy coming down with
yeah,
that
it was
tire.
sparking.
Why did it smell like transfer? Like shit.
It's a 240. It's a 240 smell. Gotta get a new latch on that side.
Yeah.
I was sketch driving. I was like, hell no, I need to slow the fuck down. You know what though? It rides freaking solid.
It does?
It rides solid as fuck.
I've only ridden it at off-road. So we're in Logan's WRX, going to get some food and do some pulls. We're in the Rex. She pulls nice, Logan. Somewhat.
It should be pulling a lot nicer, but it blew up.
Oh, the STI motor. So, what do you say, a couple months ago, Logan?
4 months ago?
Like 4 months ago, this had a STI motor in it. Was it fully built,
Forged internal.
forged internals, 20 pounds of boost?
Yeah, it had an STI nitrated crank.
Say that again.
STI nitrated crank, Manly rods, King's bearings, Creo pistons, stage 3 cams, 282 or 280 cams, and valve springs, retainers, poured and polished heads.
A cracked cylinder sleeve.
It was just a semi-closed deck block, so it wasn't fully closed deck.
And then with just too much boost.
Yeah, 20 pounds of boost. Good thing about stick shifts.
Slide it. Put the handbrake on, chill.
Can kick it.
Excuse me, sir, your steering wheel's off? Oh, there we go. Dude, I feel so badass driving the 240. I feel like a fucking gangster. It's like, hell yeah, motherfucker, driving a 240. What's
Damn,
good?
clean
That's
ass
how I feel on the
240. Hey, it's
350.
clean title. It's like gold right there. Clean
Yep.
title.
We're back in the Subi. Just got some food at The Habit, the main place where we go to eat.
It's our sponsor.
It's our sponsor.
Sponsored by The Habit. TPR Performance, sponsored by The Habit. Maybe that third gen is clean.
Oh, is it 4-wheel drive?
Yes, sir.
I like the Patrick Star wheels.
I always like Patrick Star wheels.
Some fool got caught up.
Ooh, brakes are hot.
Can't be hotter than me.
Brakes are getting a little stiff.
We're now in the 240. Israel, this feels kind of slow for 30 miles an hour.
Sorry. Just 240 problem.
I didn't even notice that. She's funny as fuck. You think she'll slide?
Oh, she slides.
Are you gonna slide it at all?
No, not in here. It's too crazy to slide in here. There's a TPR Evo.
Ooh. TPR Evo.
It's gay. Not slide.
She slides. Logan's just mad because none of his cars spin the tires. Oh, there's a TPR Foreigner and TPR Cobra.
We're going on a tour of TPR.
Told you she doesn't slide.
It's first gear.
Yeah, you need second.
VL is D-hooks in second. Dude, no,
If
don't
they
tell me,
make
don't tell me close the lighter.
Oh no way. Oh no. What? Just how much it? Oh, what? It's mod.
Oh, where are the dents at? Right here. Wait, boy, you gotta find the dent.
I think I hit that. Ow.
I think the first thing we gotta do is fix that fucking handbrake.
The first thing we gotta do is get this heater fucking hot.
Alright guys, so that's it for the night. We picked up the 240. It's clean as hell, clean title. How many miles?
274,000 beautiful low miles.
So tomorrow we'll be working on it some more. We're gonna get it all cleaned up. We'll see you guys later.
Later, guys. Deuces.
We'll see you guys later.